Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable your vertical tabs. Now, as you can see on my Chrome, vertical tabs is not officially released yet by Chrome. If you're not having the vertical tabs on your Chrome browser, don't worry, I've got you covered on this video. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, if you open your Google Chrome browser, just to have access to your vertical tabs, just go to your title area here, right click on it. You see vertical tabs here, but as you can see, it is not available here. One other way you can have access to is that go to this three dots and then go to more tools, and then you still find it here. But as you can see in my own, it is not displayed or it is not available here. So if yours is not available like this, so let's enable it. Okay, and to enable the vertical tabs, just go to your search bar and then type Chrome. Then you can see we have Chrome flags. So have that. So once you have your Chrome flags here, so this is it, Chrome column / then flags. Now once it gives you the flags, so just search here vertical, Right, so we have vertical tabs here. So as you can see the name here, vertical tabs. Right, so once you search for that, just as you can see, it is on default. To have access to the vertical tabs, just open this and then enable it. After enabling it, you can see that it's requesting that we relaunch the Chrome browser. So just click on relaunch. Right, once you relaunch it, and you can see we're still not having the vertical, so you will now have to enable it. And by enabling it, just go to the three dots once again, and then go to more tools, and then you can see we have what? Show tabs vertically. So click on it. Right, so you now have your tabs here. So if I click on add, it will add a new tab, so which we have another tabs here. Better still, you can just go to the title area, right click on it, and then you can see we have what? Show tabs horizontally. So it will now turn it back to the horizontal view, so which we have here. So you just stand here and then click on what? Show tabs vertically, as you can see here. Now, one thing is that once it is on the horizontal view, most of the times if you have many tabs loading, sometimes you don't see the website name visually. But once it's on the vertical tabs, you are going to see whatever website names attached to this. So if I open YouTube like this, you can see that it's now on a new tab. So let's say I add a new tab, it's going to just Google. So that is just how it's going to keep adding our tabs. That is just how simple and easy to enable your vertical tabs. Now, this Chrome flags where I've shown you for you to enable the vertical tabs, if you go there and you still can't find the vertical tabs, one thing you have to do is that you have to update your Chrome browser to the latest version. And by doing that, just click on this three dot, come to your settings. Under your settings, you just go to Chrome, about Chrome, and then it will update it to the latest version, and you now have access to this vertical tabs. Officially, the vertical tabs is not yet released on default for Google Chrome, which is the reason why you have to go to this Chrome flags to enable it. So that is just how easy and simple it is to enable the vertical tabs. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.